Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips Viva Collection 2100W Induction Cooktop. You can see an image of the cooktop right on the box over here. We have some information given, right? 6 preset menus for Indian cooking, 8 power levels, 2100W high power, cool to touch glass panel. More or less the same information over here as well. Programmed for Indian cooking, up to 2100W for fast cooking. Touch start key for ease of use and 0 to 3 hours time setting. I will open this box and show you. And there you go. This is what you'll find inside the box. I'll give you a closer look. First up, we have a user manual for this particular induction cooktop. The model number for this one is 4928. First up, we have a user manual. This is the user manual for the HD4928 and 4929. This model is HD4928. Everything that you want to know, what's in the box, control overview, precautions, safety, do's and don'ts, even diagrams for that naming of the different parts. It's all given here. You should read this carefully. We also have a safety leaflet for this particular induction cooktop, which you should read very carefully as well. So this is obviously the induction cooktop. This is a ceramic plate inside. On top there is a tempered glass that makes it. That's how the induction actually happens. There's a warning over here written, the ceramic plate is hot after cooking, please do not touch. So this area is usually very hot when you're cooking. And this is the control panel down here. There are a lot of information here. So there is a chart here along with LED signs to to inform you at which temperature you are at and what wattage you're cooking at. Not just that, there are also a lot of presets for stir fry, slow cooking, pressure cooking, also for roti, dosa, gravy, and also manual cooking when you want to do that. This is your on off button. These two buttons are for controlling the temperature, as you can see. And over here you have another temperature control button and a timer function as well. Underneath, you will notice this is the 1400W fan that runs this particular induction cooker, and there are a lot of vents over here as well. And we also have a very thick power cable with a 3-pin socket on one end. So this is what you'll find inside the box containing the Philips Viva Collection 2100W Induction Cooktop. Thank you for watching.